Okay, this is so funny.
I'm on the jungle.
I'm in the jungle, yes. Today we're going to swim and I have so many friends today, like a lot. I'm gonna show one by one. There are a few people already went ahead of us because we were stuck in a duty free and purchased some stuff. And I bought this sunglass. I have so many sunglasses in my cabin, but the thing is I forgot. I really forgot. I don't know why. Oh, this place is so pretty. I'll tell you. See, you can see the vibe already. I feel like I'm in my place, like hometown. I mean, look at that. You can see already how it. But it's much more clean. This is the right place where I took a picture before, like just to bring back the memories. Like a mini park. Everybody's there. Don't tell me this is not pretty. I got my towel. That's from the company Carnival. This is my outfit. It's a mini bridge. Hi Deborah, how are you today?
Very good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. Ooh la la. Come. Alright, so what are we all gonna do today? What is our activities today? I mean, you tell me also so we can
fish.
Yeah. And
Drink.
Swim. Yeah. And then what else? Look at Minnie. How many weeks? Or 3 weeks, I guess? We came out, right? Yeah, a long time. Yeah, this is a place where I even took a picture also a long time ago. For sure. So straight there. I think we can get Wi-Fi also, right? Can we? No. Wow! There we go. Get in the water. You hold me, okay? Thank you. Ah, that's so nice of you. Yeah, hey guys, everybody. There you go. The lead character. Make sure you don't sink, huh? This is our crew. Wow. And that's the ship. Alright, there we go. So many people swimming there. Ooh, okay. Hello. Hi. I like that. You know how to swim? Oh wow, that's great. Me, I don't know how to swim. Somebody carry me back here. Oh, wait. Oh my god. The next time I think I should also start learning to swim. Hey guys, if you don't know how to swim, you better know how to swim. Learn it, I mean, before it's too late. Man, can you imagine, like, there's so many, like, it's very clean water, beautiful places, and I do not know how to swim. Such a red flag. Wait, Kristen, it's getting, like, deep. It's deeper now. I want to walk across to there, through there, exploring with the help of my friends.
Sharp.
Shark, yeah. Hey, okay. Hey, how deep it is now? Oh, it's getting like a colder and it feels so good. Don't tell me I'm gonna stay there. Oh yeah, finally.
One more, you need to go down, huh?
Down, why?
Here.
Why?
Here.
Okay, for what? Oh really?
One.
No. Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
No.
One.
I'm not ready for that.
Two.
What? There you go.
Take a deep breath. 3.
Oh. Are we there? Okay. where am I now? god, now my eyes is itchy. I was literally not ready to dive in there, do like, you know. Oh my god. My goodness. Oh my gosh, I cannot open my eyes. Really? I'm sure my makeup are all gone. That, oh shoot. Alright guys, fish head. Deborah was munching. And this big guy is amazing. He's a magician on board. It's amazing. Ladies time. Dancing. I don't know how to dance, so I'm out of this. But it looks so fun. Hey Joel. What's up? How was your volleyball?
Well, it's great.
It's great.
Oh my gosh, you don't know how to play volleyball.
It's still good. You're the best among them. I mean,
Very nice.
compared to other people, they don't
You
even
know,
touch the ball.
I
But you
have
did it.
much
Oh yeah, and you were the one who trained them. You know, like no, it should be two hands, stuff like that. That was fun. It was fun. Yeah, we're heading back to the ship now, and I have a lot of people. And we had like so many. We did so many activities, which was amazing. The best part is like. And yeah, a lot of fun. But unfortunately, one of our team, she was like her ankle was twisted a little bit, and she got hurt. And we like requested for the wheelchair to get on the boat on the ship, and then yeah, we are on the way. Here we go. It's so pretty, isn't it? I love this. It was like a lot of fun today. Really fun. And a good thing we will be, this is going to be the last day for me to come on this port. Guess what? After this cruise finish, coming! I will go home. So good thing I went outside today. Do you want me to take a picture? Is it fine? Okay, no problem. I love these places. It's like, did you hear the birds chirping? That's our ship. It's pretty relaxing. So cool. Oh, now next time I'm planning to go to Cozumel. I don't know if I'll be able to manage it, but let's see. But this cruise has been like less, not that busy. I mean less guests, I should say. And it's a 6-day voyage. So we have enough time, and then we're not very busy in the night, that we can finish it up early, and then we take rest early, and we can wake up early at the same time. You know, I'm tired. Let me take a rest. Oh, how was it today? Was it fun?
It was fun.
Lovely.
Yeah. All the way from Thailand, and all the way from India, Mumbai.
Mumbai,
Yeah. And all the way from Manipur. Woo. Back to front, all the way there. Don't you think this is magnificent? It's pretty cool, right? We're heading back to the ship. It was a lot of fun, like I said. It was so nice with a lot of group of people. We're like 8 of us went outside. It was like good food and some drinks, and then swimming at the same time. Wow, the swimming part was real fun. I love it. The only thing is I need to learn how to swim. Wow. That's funny. Oh my gosh. My hat literally flew away. My hat. And I had to pick up all the way from the back. I feel better now. I need to go back to the cabin, and then I need to take a shower, and then I need to take rest for a while. Otherwise, I don't think I'll be able to work today. Too much, too tired. I play volleyball as well. Oh, it was like so much fun, but it's just that too sunny that you know, oh my gosh. I don't know how my skin will be after like tomorrow. After one day, it's gonna be different, like blue black. Because it's too sunny. It's too much.